Hello, dear friends and students. Today's video or presentation aims at rounding of a given number to the required number of significant digits. And so, let us proceed. But before rounding, what is necessary is to review about the methods of rounding and also the rules of rounding. So it is would be the interest of our viewers and for me also that we should go through the methods of rounding. Here there is a quick review of rounding numbers, methods and rules. Of course, I have divided into two types. Either you can move from right to left across the digit in the given number, or you can move from left to right through the digits in a given number. And if you feel convenient, you may use any one of the method. Well, it depends upon what is the type of number and what is the number of digits required after rounding. So in the first case, you may start rounding with the number farthest to the right of the number, including those of the decimal point, if any. Begin rounding back following the odd and even rules. There is another method where you can start from the left and move to the right through the digits in a given number. The process is represented here is stepwise. Start from the first digit at the extreme left, proceed to the right digit through each digit till the number of digits required for the rounding is selected. Note the subsequent digit which would serve as a tool. We call it a decider for rounding up the selected digit at the left. Now round up the digit set using decider following the odd and even rules. Now here is the first case. A stepwise rounding back of the number converts this number to different number of significant digits as given below. I have picked up just an arbitrary number. It is 3.74549 and different numbers. It can be rounded to different numbers of significant figures, sigfix. It may be rounding to different number of sigfix and you find here in the fourth column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The total number of digits here in the number selected or chosen is 3, 2, 5 and 6. We can round it up to 5 digits, 4 digits, 3 digits, 2 digits and 1 only. But we have to start with digit on the right hand side, means just at the extreme right. This digit acts as a tool for rounding a digit of the given number. Please go through it and it's very obvious that after rounding this number would change to 4 if it is simply kept as one digit after rounding. Well, then there are different numbers also, depending upon the total number of significant figures. Now, the other method is also there. That is rounding numbers when the number of significant figures are fixed. We know that we have fixed the total number of significant figures. It may be 1, it may be 2, it may be any number which you can fix. So number has to be examined. Start counting the digit from the left hand side of the number. Stop at a digit which would provide you the total number of significant digits required. That is known as selection. Selection of the digit. Mark the next digit so selected after the selected digit, and this next digit governs rounding of the given number. So we call it as decider. Now this decider digit is very important for rounding. If the decider digit is 4 or less, don't change it, the last digit. If it is 5 or more, increase the last digit by 1 to round. But please remember there may be other digits also after the decided digit. And if the other digits are there, then place 0 in place of subsequent digits. Now, well, there is a table which will give you the examples of converting or rounding to different number of significant digits, and there are different numbers. You can go through it, and digit chosen for rounding is uh, also represented. The decided digit is also given in the table, and the rounded final number is also provided. Please, you may pause the video for some time for going to the table, both the tables, the earlier table and this one, so that you get the correct understanding of the two methods of rounding. Okay, we now proceed to practice and practice answering the questions and check your answers. A number of questions are there. They may be simple question, short answer, MCQs type. So be quick to answer and answer. Instantaneous answer is expected. However, if there happens to be a delay in answering, you may pause the video for a while before it is presented to you on the screen. Now, no audio now. Audio now. Thank you. Please carry on. We start.